Hello once again, this is James. Welcome to my Microsoft PowerPoint videos. Last time we looked at how to set up hyperlinks using a word hyperlink which will link to slides in this particular presentation, a shape link in form of a callout which will link to an external site, for example the Google site, or a picture link which will link to maybe a video or an audio file stored somewhere on the computer. So how do we do this? If I go back to preview again, we see that when we click this, it takes you to the next slide. If we go back again, if I click on this, it is supposed to drive me to my Google website, but since I'm not connected to the internet, that's why I are getting this error message. If I click on this one, it's supposed to give me an introduction to access video. So if you click on it and you say OK, it will launch the Microsoft PowerPoint introduction video. So how do we do this? How do we set this up? Let us go into our sample presentation and see how this happens. So right about here, we are going to use these three options to set up a link between the slides. Let's say maybe to the chat slide. Okay. Then here we might want to link this to an external site, for example a website of Google, and this we shall link it to a PowerPoint video, for example. So let us go straight. We start with an internal link. We shall highlight this phrase. We come to hyperlinks. Then we're supposed to say or pick the presentation we want according to this. So here we want to link to charts. So I'll pick the slide which links to the chart. Then I say OK. Here we want to link to an external page. Remember, you go to insert, then you click hyperlink. This time around we want to link to our website. For example, we shall say www.google.com, then we say OK. And lastly, we want to link this to a video. So still we highlight it, go to hyperlink. Then we'll come and we say we want to look for something. For example, we might want to look for maybe let's take these transitions, for example. We had made a mistake on this. We have to go back and reset it. It's going to link to a video instead of a slide. So we shall go to what we call our place in this document. Then we look for the presentation which talks about the chart. Then we say OK. So now we finished setting up our links. Let's see if when we test them they can actually bring up the picture we want. So we shall go to slideshow and we say from current slide. So this is our slide. Let us see now if this drives us to the chart slide. Wow, and it does it. Let's go back again and we see if this can link us to an external link. I think you are seeing the Google site being displayed as I hover the mouse over the call out shape. So when I click on it and the internet was connected, it would display the website or the web page of Google. But currently my website is not connected. Now lastly, the picture link which links to a video. When I click in this, I say OK, it will open for us. Now it's playing the video for transitions and animations, which is linked to that particular video from this picture link. So that's how we set up hyperlinks in form of internal links for linking to the next slide, in form of linking to a site on the internet, or linking to a different object on your computer, maybe a video, an audio, a picture, something like that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.